Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to your number one soccer podcast. This is a Pass and Move, and we welcome you to Deb3 TV. Pass and Move, proudly brought to you by Deb3 Events, Deb3 Media, and also Deb3 Studios. And today with me, I've got Christian Machisi. Lo butho leze mkhokheli inqube abantu bahlala bekharabela bathi andi-introduce ishaphi yawazi
awona omunye ekhale sithi wena lokhu uzi-introducer wethu hamba njani wadiye
Be-selfish isikhathi but it's nice now that selisazi kahle
but kushaphi ukuthi si-engage labantu bebenjani
bekhuluma okufunayo
Ari umkhokheli sebabukhatshe wayelenda ukuthi sefukula ibizo lakhe kodwa sesithi la umkhokheli
no vele ibizo labantu abakhokhelayo
but namhlanje e-Seasons Cafe e-Seasons Cafe e-Ascot lizwa njani umoya omchaya mnandi angaka we outside bona abantu babe mangathi khathi abantu babaphandle ukuhamba njani. Today we are at Seasons Cafe. Seasons Cafe is located next to Pick and Pay. E-Ascot ungafika nje e-Ascot wona bana esingendeni uyaphonga ukuthi pheshe ubone Seasons Cafe. Seasons Cafe ilama breakfast ilama lunch ilama dinner. Nxa ufuna ubuya le baby lawo uthe mana ngishaye round uyaphonga ulikhipha la uzwakale e-Seasons Cafe.
stage akulani lapha liyabe kuthule
even family you can bring your children, you can bring everyone.
Cha vibizo bra.
Season Cafe every season
ayikhethi mlo
ayimele nto uzulile kuchisa hayi every season
isizini enje yabuwe cabanga la isizini enje
thina bebhora isizini ebhora lanxa iqalisa sathi isizini
yaba le menu gents menu yakhona andazi kabekazi kuyafiwa mntana
isikhiwa sodwa
kuyafiwa
isiveti
kulama plain sides stew station mntana yakava PlayStation but you can come through a-Seasons Cafe uthole nje mdaphonga ukuthi lengijwayele le kule white le brown sides and sihamba lama ndondindo angikhona amanye achene then kulabo veggie fried rice labo brown rice
we rice fry we
ungekho ikasi bekubona
manje kuthiwa kule garlic creamy fettuccine cabanga kuthiwa $8 la usidla amangwane esiveti $8
konke lokho ngivele uqambile
kunengi mdala kule nto i-baked parsley potatoes le croquette sesame
angaze nkudle lokho
la ungatshaya uphonga utshaya nje omunye wamamenyu lawo
kuthiwa veggie fried
umbuvule
rice mana ngivule
aba kuyafiwa mdala
smoked barbecue Tirikai served with fries. $5
anti yabona
served with what?
To served with fries. I mean, angazi ma fries wini.
Kuyafiwa ni utopi la akhethela chaza inganywa
sivule ngapha ubuye ngama baked delights mdala lawo kulama fries $9 ubuzokuzwa la into ezijene nothi uvukele into eyi1 machini
uvukele sithwale kuseni lunch ulichizo lontambama
kumele uyenza utshintsha bese kubuya ngapha mdala ubo solo meals mawufuna ubuya wedwa solo meals lawo uthi beef burger nje $5 usudlile mdala
but imagine
yabo
so namhla sathi sichaya i-Afcon special yethu sichama ngwana asazi bazasikhethelana phakathi la sike sitaste sizithi uhamba njani sibe sichala athi
lingagcina likhohle ukukhuluma
phela don't worry khulule even kumnandi okunye ongakanani but the show is to go on and not forgetting majensi the okuhle designs okuhle designs isizini compliments of the new season bathi agents na i-calendar la nxa ufuna i-calendar but they design everything so okuhle designs is na i-calendar ye-Deb3 investment eka 2026
everything is there ama dates akhona proper
okuhle designs for you then not forgetting nayi kwasitozi liyaphephuka umoya la umnandi uchaya fresh ngongikhelela i-calendar not forgetting i-sport zone.
Yeah.
I-sport zone sihamba layo, i-sport
Lapho
zone
esikhona.
everywhere esikhona i-sport zone uyayithola.
Partner in
Yabona
crime.
amabhora loke inathi
Ekhona.
sihamba layo. I-trophy
Trophy
phansi
ikhona.
yonke into. Siphathela lokhu i-sport zone guys. Umenzi uzafaka laphana i-sport
details.
zone. Uyayithola ngaphi yonke into. But anyway gents, AFCON iyaqhubeka.
Yafika.
We've seen sesifike ku kuthiwa, lapho emalini ama-team
Oqalise khona.
Lapho la uthaba khona ungakufika la uzwa khona ukuthi ya
Uthi la nxa udliwa nje inhliziyo iyadabuka ukudlula ku-group stage.
Exactly uyabona manje.
but mina ubona nje ukuthi umuntu odliwe like izimo nxa uphume ekuqaliseni ugcina usukhohliwe ukuthi kwaba khona ku-tournament nxa udlwele lapho osokule Nigeria, Morocco, Egypt lokhu le Senegal amdala ku-trick.
Alaphana ku-trick
ku-trick.
uyabona laphana indawo lana uyabe isandla esiyi-1 sesifikile usungani usuyibambile i-trophy.
Yes.
Uyabona manje ibe ubuhlungu ukuthi but
Lenyuko.
bese mdala vele obvious inyuku kani but wena i-mentality ngiliyani yokuthi sifuna i-trophy le.
Exactly.
So ma usuyibambile laphana bengakudla vele that's why ubona liyakhala but ungaphuma kuma-group stages tough luck. Tough luck.
Try next time.
Try next time.
Exactly. Even labo babezazama next time but so but anyway
Yeah.
ama-round of 16 gents wabone njani?
Mbona ibhora
No,
litshintshilayo.
it's quarter final, round of 16
Sisadlula.
ama-quarter final.
Ama-quarter finals.
So wabone njani ama-quarter final?
Ngibukela ibhora now I can tell you ukuthi kona next year 2026 i-Africa is going to upset
2026,
World Cup.
Siku-26.
That's what I mean. Lokho ngicabanga ukuthi isikhathi siyahamba
Ube
la.
mayadini.
Isikhathi siyahamba kuye mayadini yabona ukuthi khona lokunyala. But this year I think World Cup we're going to see wonders from Africa because we've seen African football has improved for better. And I can tell you ukuthi kona this time ama-European countries they're going to test their own medicine because ayibhora nibukelile. Ama-teams they've upped their standards. I-Egypt ngaweza ukuthi i-team ati struggle kubo Angola, struggle kubo Zimbabwe, kubo South Africa.
But it's always difficult but playing against ama-team anje abo Zim labo Angola.
Kakhulu.
But even though i-Egypt esiyaziyo ibingavuzanga ithwale nzima kangakuyana emagemini anje. But nonetheless engikutsho ukuthi even lawo bukhangela ukuthi ibhora lidlaliwe. You can tell ukuthi i-Morocco per se. I-Morocco you can see ukuthi kona ingabe ingekho that strong phambili but i-defense yabo ayisipot on because i-concede penalty kuphela. Without that ayika-concede lutho. So i-defense yabo is-spot on. And then ususiba namangongongo yi-team esengihamba ngayo kadesi.
Awutshintshi nje ama-team.
Kanti vele yabona when one door closes in life and the other open lokhu evala ama-door kuvula. So
Hayi isitshaye jensi ingayisabi.
so ilokhu i-Nigeria is attack yabo phambili ngale umshini wama-chess. I believe ukuthi khona we're going to get some positive results against Morocco.
Toby?
Mina I think yabona ama-quarter final ambonise something about how playing outside of Africa gives you that benefit in terms of advantage yona lana nxa usudlala like ama-tournament anje because ungazama ukhangela ama-team wonke akuma-quarter final most of their players are playing abroad. Uyabona so i-advantage plus thanks to Morocco ama-grounds abo wonderful mdala so abantu abana they are used to them uyabo and kathesi usubona ibhora sibili tactically how they defend and ama-team are going for each other. If ungakhangela igame ye-Morocco lana you could see ukuthi la i-Morocco defensively they are good mdala and they fight akula kuthiwa ibhola lakudala kuthiwa kumakwa lo bonke they defend as a team and they play as a team uyabo bese kubuye uNigeria mdala phambili. I think iNigeria phambili i-passion lane lo Osimhen people were criticizing about bezebelo lo Lookman lokhona is natural. Osimhen is striker mdala he needs goals even ngaze kube yi-3 yena he needs goals so sometimes ebholeni ama-emotions lana khona so you can tell uyamuzwa la utshela ukuthi ndoda iNigeria wonke umuntu ukhayele ukuthi sithathe into le so uyabe su-understand la and labo phambili I think they are doing well mdala mfuna uqamba amanga phambili they are doing well everything is spot on then bese kubuya i-Egypt Egypt, if you see ukuthi ithe idlala boZimbabwe, they were a bit struggling, of which is not struggling as such, because obviously ama team lana wonke thina siyafuna ukudla Egypt. Bona what they need is to grind the result. Of which into abayenzayo. Look at kathesi ukuthi bawine comfortable njani ku Cote d'Ivoire. Bawina bakhoka 3 njala. Uyabona?
Singathi comfortable 3-2.
I mean, I think it was comfortable because
obvious when we lead 3
mdala, imagine if you
are now
lead 3
defending those
against the Cote
Phela
d'Ivoire.
kwaba 2-1.
2-1. Yasho usuba
because we
3-1.
3-1 so
Uyabona?
Yabuya
Against the
3-2.
Cote d'Ivoire, imagine uhlohla 3 against Cote d'Ivoire mdala. Uyabona? Of which they failed to score that 3 against Zimbabwe. Uyabona kuyatshengisa ilevel labo ukuthi but ama game la benjani. Kuyafiwa mdala. So I think ama game la then bese uyi Senegal. Senegal mdala midfield yabo yiyo blind. Hayi power.
Lo mfana umuntu ngugie. Ochango left.
Awuza ngisho ukuthi bonke badlala abroad mdala. I-midfield yabo yiba bayenza kube easy for them. Even emuva abadefend kakhulu mdala. Most of their games because they dominate in the midfield.
And usuhle wathinta something. Uthinte i-issue ka Lookman lo Osimhen. Ubona i-passion even abantu becabana ukuthi at the end of the day bafuna one goal.
Exactly.
They want to achieve i-goal e-1.
yabona into lena eka Osimhen lo kuzenini lo Lookman people bayithatha ngendlela engayisiyo because thina sinjani nxa singekho lapha ku podcast ngabangani nxa sesilapha sesebenzi so when semsebenzini ubungani ufuze sifake eceleni laphana we are representing the nation so if I see my fellow partner esenza mistake I have to make sure ukuthi khona put her to the right direction. Sometimes kuya ngokuthi yena uyakuyamukela njani because amakhiwa athi khona i-chain is strong at up to the point of this weakest link. So realize that i-weakness ila asindawo. So lokana kwakusenziwa ngu-Osimhen ufuna something better for the team. Even and after the match, he said, what I said is because I want the result. Last time we lost for the World Cup, now he was the one who was what was the most criticism. And Lookman, and even Lookman was saying it was nothing wrong about that, what we did. It was football like because we love each other, we're brothers. But in the ground, lapana, we have to forget that. Singahamba sipepe sitana sitotoza ne grounding. Yiko kwenzakala uqina kusenzakala ukuthi kona ekugcineni uqina lingathola ama results elifunga wa grind. They need the results. They don't need to play there. That's what is needed.
And Konabana is a teachable moment to amanya teams. Like Giti ngapha uBozimba uthi bonke chumla phela chumla bana bakhona ama millions bra.
A lot.
I think i-passion abayishowayo egaming.
Yeah, you got to ukuthi it's more than money, it's more than anything.
It's passion.
It's passion because imagine abantu bachiye Nigeria about maybe how many millions.
Nigeria population in Nigeria.
Banengi kakhulu.
Nigeria how many millions
nje? More than 500 languages.
Imagine.
So imagine ukuthi nxa befika lapha they are representing bonke abantu labana. And abantu labana bonke labana ngendlela iNigeria siyaziyo ngefootball blind and they deserve a cup. So I think that's why Osimhen reacted that thing. But yeah, what
was the highlight of the quarterfinals?
highlight engibonileyo mina on a negative point of view, I think game Cameroon officiating ayingichazanga because kube lama app more than 6 ade zinzakala laphana bechawa bafana beCameroon and none of them was cautioned, even though ukuthi khona i-yellow card, just a yellow card, which esingasiuthatha nganto khona ama-officials lana favoring the home team because iku-home. But let the best team win at the end of the day, because nxa singa-support ibhola senza njalo, what's the purpose of having iVAR? iVAR is there ukuthi ukhuthwe nguref ngelihlo because uref has got a split of a second to see
and to
make a decision. But iVAR has got all the time in the world to make a decision. So into lana ayingichazanga kakhulu into elokuze nini abantu ade bechanga amandololwane. Indololwane ayisonto ibhora ifuze idlale ngezandla ngerugby lokho.
And igame eMorocco ebesithi ngizakhuluma igame eMorocco le Cameroon, so many decisions went against Cameroon, such that to ngabona even uMutsepe semlanda ukuthi
relax.
Mutsepe lapana short leadership blind because it seemed as if and into lesakhuluma ukuthi ama team la especially Egypt, Tunisia, Morocco le Algeria bebengani bathola too much favor from our officials, and it showed. I like you picked it up. It showed Morocco the Cameroon.
Because I think even I think if I was supposed to say something, because I think it was a penalty. I think it was a penalty.
If I also
supposed to but manje as it is, if I consider even against Tanzania, I think if I was supposed to sesibona lathi besitshela ukuthi uhamba njani, because ngilami ngelihlo lami ngiyabona ukuthi it's a push, but then ekamboma uyabona ukuthi umuntu bamkhabile eboxing. So I think even Algeria like iyakhala ukuthi why Morocco ingane layo ithola ama favors because kwakule yayikhala ngokuthi kathi why urefu uyachayela iCameroon le Morocco engakaphumi
announce masinya
babekhala ngayo into le. So I think into yona le angazi ukuthi maybe they are favoring because they are the worst or uhamba njani into abayenzayo, but I think
do you know something ukuthi even idlala iMorocco Shaban khona ukhiyana kuyathatha away
vele
what ama players are doing
especially uyabona ground ukuwina into encane, imistake encane. Wena kathesi wena uma kumele kube le foul ungathi play on, it's an advantage to team liyana. Uyabona yithi disadvantage, that's why we end up njani team liyana isiyasohla isisenza ingaba frustrated and alisadlali the way ifuna udlala ngakhona. So i-advantage yani ye team liyana ethola ama favors. So I think iMorocco, that's why abantu besithi iMorocco iyahamba iyachova sibi, but iyathola ama advantages amancane nala.
What was the highlight of the quarterfinals?
Ama quarterfinal mina I think I game ensurprise le Egypt versus Cote d'Ivoire. I never thought ukuthi Egypt outclass Cote d'Ivoire ngendlela yona le abadlala ngayo, because I think uMumishi he was there ku tournament la avuka mamanga
somthinjimizo
mdala
sothi ngoMumishi
uyathubuye khwezile la kama socks lama was crying ukuthi but like akafiki kulo
udlala ku City
wabona, but idele lana versus Cote d'Ivoire it was the difference mdala igame lana even usala la
yawadonsa amasosi
exactly uyabona sebonisa la ukuthi stage lesesifuna amadoda manje, so i stage sesifuna ingqondo kakhulu more than ukudlala. So I think Egypt
I think ipoint ekhulunywa ngoTopi is valid because lokuzeni level asesikiyo lana yiko sikutshengisa ukuthi kona why those people are playing in Europe.
Yes.
Because they are now showing their experience. So kuchiyeni ukuthi umntwana ufunda kwesinye isikolo omunye ufunda kuma schools lana caca lawana. Falcon obana ondibhadala million la inkulumane phakathi kuyakuchiyeni. So ucaca nawo.
Lisenza abantwana basekhaya
So ucaca you remember kuma previous episode sasikhuluma ukuthi kona South Africa if they had on maybe 2 or 3 players who play to supplement to foster abadlala ku Europe. South Africa was going to reach far. But now ungakhangela play even ukhangela iKoporeka Osman. That eleyeda lela.
Ungakaqhubeki wish every day shoot so yazi conversation ya flow coach sorry but
ukhangela iKoporeka kaloku zenini ka Osman the first goal eyeda lena, you know ibhora labuya ukuthi ngawaliyeda straight ngokusiba overpower kumbe keep it
technique bro,
but he knew ukuthi kona I have to hit it down.
That's a serious technique.
It shows quality, it shows skill.
And they understand him kakhulu manje Osimhen. Uyakubona nje Nigeria mayidlala. Osimhen maybe ibhora mali ngapha on the other side. Yena uyachirani yakhe
ayishaya wide.
Then ibhora mali kuya top yena nguyokariso kuyayi. His goals very yona la. So which means understanding yabo.
Bemfuna ukusho ukuthi mina my highlight was in Nigeria. Hayi Nigeria idlalela ibhora mdala ukuthi bekhuluma evilo menza isitozi. Amenza izinto ndabdala iNigeria kimisiza khere ngithi yazi iNigeria angutshela iNigeria iya adapt to any occasion.
Exactly.
Ngabe ufuna ukuthi be aggressively they play aggressive. Ngabe ufuna ukuthi belinokhe kuhle prop bale no I think iNigeria yakwanisa ukudlala any any situation.
You know, they aggressive. Even in Egypt, I realized that versus
Cote d'Ivoire,
they were more
they're more aggressive
than Cote d'Ivoire.
And I mean, I thought Cote d'Ivoire
But
was more aggressive than.
ngama ngalo case bemkhiphe boreni betsenjani manje ngathi i-team lethu they want
Umfana
this.
ukana udlala goal number 8. Udlala ku mid. Udlala wa check goal number 2 nani yacina ifaka outside area.
Exactly.
Uthi bali winner njani.
Exactly.
Ba attacker njani.
Exactly.
Usala mdala.
awusala watching because ipass
That's
yakho
experience.
ipass it was an outfoot
Outside
is an
foot.
outfoot
Outside
foot.
foot.
So it was so nice but abantu labana batshengisa go back to that basics uthi kona those people who are playing they are playing better football than us. If only our African leaders can learn ukuthi kona how are they doing, how are they managing ukuthi befike kona pano you can also get there.
Because even Bruce ngamuzwa ucoach
Uyuko Bruce, South Africa.
Bruce South Africa city abantu they don't understand if I'm telling them ukuthi iPSL yes it's a good competition but it's different my mawususiya kuma level la sesiyayiwo la because ama players adlala ngale highest level uyabo adlala kwa highest level so mase lidlala lizabakhulela but kulama little details
but ama detail amancane
because even igame yabo ina versus Cameroon but they were supposed to win but
the small details that you talk about
and into yokukhuluma le I still remember at one point ngangikhuluma no Clemens Matao ekhuluma ngestay yakhe sePoland esithi kona itempo engakhuluma iskile ekhuluma ngetempo yebhora kuphela ipace abagijima ngayo ebingathiwa nge100 meters igame yonke ebingenani 100 meters the game is fast so
yoma details
so khona kana itempo nalana when you bring it udlala abantu abanjalo lapho ama games akho aseZimbabwe lapho ungabachayisa ngetempo lana they cannot last for 20 minutes bengadinwanga sebehlohla ama-goals amaningi. So if we can have that kind of practice which allow us ukuthi sibe lama details and so forth, I think we can get all those things.
But I liked and ukhulumile eqaliseni I liked i-level le-bar elisethwe i-African football kuma-quarter finals. I can't wait for the semi-finals.
Mina ngitsho yabona ama-ground mdala they tell you itempo yegame.
Exactly.
Adlala indima because ibhola labe selimove fast and labe libavumela
long size everything.
Uyabona. So that's why usubona ama-team aseleyo mdala kathesi wonke aseleyo.
Yama-powerhouse
e-Africa.
And I think from ma-quarter final the top 8
e-Africa anti uyabona yona
it
shows you ukuthi bonke vele they play that side and bonke they compete kuma-big teams mdala akulo odlala kuma-small teams kumbe kuthiwa udlala kuma-division wathi ezweni sibabukela week in week out
because ama-semi-finals akhona they are more exciting more than the final itself because nxa ungakhayela Morocco versus Nigeria it's a game everyone wants to see and I can't miss that because mina you remember I said my AFCON ended when Zimbabwe lost but khona kana uthi I've got a passion exactly but just because I want to enjoy football but nonetheless nxa ungatubukela ibhora liyachaza
mina remember from episode 1 my team ngawutshela Morocco yakhe it's unfortunate ukuthi ihlangana le Nigeria angazi ukuthi
it's a good game man
yeah I know it's going to be a good game but look and see ukuthi Morocco I see Morocco going through it's unfortunate nje ukuthi i-refereeing officiating ibingani biased towards them but in the bone
ground taking nothing away from them they are playing good football
Morocco mina Morocco I think ile individual brilliance mostly kakhulu and umfana is showing that Diaz is pushing them kakhulu yabona and nguye umuntu nalwana ongaba i-difference versus Nigeria
but although I won't be surprised even Nigeria are surprised even
because I think i-Morocco defensively they are good mdala abaka concede phela
Morocco
uyabona manje so yiwari yami manje ukuthi kade badlala team ehlohla waya
Nigeria
so I think they are going to be tested
it disadvantage le Morocco isiya ngale is because everyone knows that Diaz is scoring each and every game so nxa besiya laphana yabe sesefihliwe
but manje ungichaza ngoDiaz ule element of surprise
exactly
uyakwazi ukuthuthela kwenye enje ongabungamcabangela ukuthi
like ikubhora ehlohle ku previous match
imagine element of surprise ikaraba blind and is currently the top goal scorer
5 in 5
so umuntu onjalo
so if he scores in all those 7 games nxa ngafika ku final yabe break history because I doubt ukuthi ukhona okwathi wahlohla 7-7.
We'll fact check, but I doubt AFCON ulo muntu osechaye 7-7. Then the other semi-final, Senegal, the Egypt. Salamane. Singakahambi kiyo. Morocco, Nigeria. Who is coming through? I know which at Nigeria.
Vele.
I'm giving to Morocco.
Danko.
Nigeria.
Then let's look at the Senegal, Egypt.
I think game layer we know midfield. If Egypt, if they manage to contain midfield, Senegal, they will win. Because I think going forward, Egypt they pace. Any mistake imdala uyakwanisa ukupanicha uyabona. So I think kusiya ngokuya yona Egypt ingamanager kuphela ukuthi midfield lana ingakhiki sebewinile game.
Butho,
like I said on our first episode, when I chose the team which is going to win, I said it's going to come from our group. Egypt is still there. I'm not supporting Egypt. Quote me right. I support it, but I say the team which is going to win is going to come from our group. But so far you've
been proven.
Local team. So Egypt is going to reach the finals, and the Sifigile finals. I'm going to be disappointed because I will team and support Nigeria. So that's what I can say.
So you're basically saying it's Egypt, Nigeria.
That's my final. Egypt versus Nigeria.
But I still maintain Morocco is taking the cup. Morocco yathatha angilanda ukuthi then gents still go AFCON kulento eyenzakalayo elokhu yenzakala African countries engayithandi. Also the world saw it. I don't think ukuthi into enhle ku African football yethu. In Nigeria besithi abafuna ukutrain abasoze betrain abakabhadala izimali zawo. We're not seeing it and asikuzwa kuma North African countries like Arab nations, but getting Zimbabwe, DRC, Nigeria, siyazithola into ezinjalo. It's sad for football.
It's very bad.
Le ball lapha selikhona eAfrica uzi abantu besithi asitrain asikabhadala imali zethu.
You remember Utopi last time episode eyadlula esithi khona ungumzali ufuna umntwana eperform ubhadala fees amthengele isikolo everything like that. Now at a stage where Nigeria is right now, they failed to qualify for the World Cup.
Imagine.
You only have this chance to showcase to have a silver as a nation. Then you fail to just to boost up, to keep morale boost the players. Because as a nation, I don't think we can prioritize up to the point of a player, any individual person, if the government fails, I will pay you. Which means if
not government, association.
The association. If the association fails, I will pay you. Meaning to say the association does not have money. It's association.
I doubt they don't have money.
I think you wanna ignorant for interest njengazonalezo yo. Like ungananzelela ama situation la umela ngebe sephuma ukuthi abafuna ukutraina imagine wosimani imagine olukman nje imali abaziholayo nje phela uyabona ukuthi izinto ezirong vele because bona kibo lokhuman labo simeni
they have to play for pride
imali njani balayo but as an association you go and talk labantu nje izimdala ukhuluma labantu ama-chance sila mali even imali ngekho eso cry man imali asila ama-chance but sizayenza so ungabona ama-players senza so which means there's no communication uyabona which means there's something wrong about the communication because I think when even the emsebenzini mdala it's not ukuthi every emsebenzini ubhadala kuhle uyabona but if i-communication hayi thina sizenza so
very communication mdala any relationship
for a marriage to sustain for a relationship to sustain for everything just need communication
because ungananzelela wona even kuma North Americans ngale uyamangala lakho akhona ama problems
true
kakhulu
aphumi kanjani communicate
okwazi ukuthi umntwana ekundana ekula
Nigeria phela umlanga kube uthiwa iNigeria itrainele imali mdala
akuyangisa lokho because mostly it's in a two way
ukukhuluma something istage asebekiso
mdala exactly even though sikhona apha ku stage anti ipoint ekhulunywa nguNtopi uvula amehlami lapha before mina ngiqale ngasola iAssociation mostly but now uTopi sekhuluma sokuvula amehlami ukuthi khona how much money does Osman earn? How much money does Lukman earn? How much money does Ndidi earn? how much money to all those guys because
Akulo dlala
bonke lapha
eNigeria.
nakulo dlala eNigeria bonke base Europe maybe imali ehola ngeViki kanti iningi ukwedla imali afuna ihola club kule kuzenini then ususiya
But
strike
is it not about i-priority ye-association?
Of
Bafuna
course,
ukutshengisa
no,
i-association ukuthi no, because if they continue, bra, if they continue play kulama-problems anjalo, if they continue playing kulama-problems anjalo, ama-problems anapheli.
I appeal, I understand.
Asozapheli. So bafuna ukuvula amehlo i-association ukuthi no, but guys,
grievance,
do izinto ezisha.
but the way of dealing with those grievances was wrong though. Because nje wenti esishoneni balesagasa bethi nishakafukiza Zimba Mantenga. Ngapha maybe khona okwazi ukuthi umntwana egundwane yagula kweni ngumhlabathi. Because you have to meaning to say ukuthi khona umntwana egundana akusho ukuthi yagula. But akusho ukuthi kala problems. Ama problems awayenzakali. Sithi nxa siphuma phandle lapha sihamba sisimayela but sike saxabana endlini izolo. And sihlale phansi, we sit down, we talk.
But utho asikukhayele into le isiyenzakale kakhulu. Ngiyabona i-interview eka Sunday Marim. Sunday Chitsambo rather. Former coach weZimbabwe. Izifa still owes him up to today 48,000. He said 48,000. Wayibona interview la. So into lezana zingakela ukho imagine uSunday Chitsambo uchenini. Ucoach eZimbabwe.
Yabona I will go back to ukuthi thina as Africans mdala we don't have respect for umuntu omkhachileyo.
Exactly.
We don't want to
That's what
mentality yethu iliyani yokuthi wena ngaze ngoxotsha kula ndaba. Yabona but umuntu lwana you have to appreciate him because ube kusebenzela. Mtshele wena ukuthi hayi Jake lamhlanje la mali ngizakwenzela so but wena ungathula la ngumuntu uzafuna ukukhuluma ukuthi hayi but wena ungayenzi njalo even though ngile mali phela doesn't mean ukuthi ngaba le mali awusamela
ngombhadala. Exactly.
Because sendiki ilebha yami la ngqondo zami
because into le itobi even ngawufaka context yethu eZimbabwe cabanga uPeter Ndlovu ukwafika ku-extent yokuthi
uyabhadala
abantu adlala
labo.
You understand? Yiko undidi afike khona uthi no chance. It's not like ukuthi undidi ngeke uthanda
Nigeria. And it's not like ukuthi undidi
ukhola more than Osimhen.
Umsheko kwenzile ku last of connect sesihambe ngeke.
You understand?
Uwenza futhi.
Mina ke ngisho ukuthi into zena lezi it's not like ukuthi it's right.
It's wrong.
Even i-patriotism abantu
belayo but we should not take that for granted.
Yiko mbuya khona ukuthi abantu at helm of our football ama-associations ama-African nations aba-prioritize yini ama-players because abantu labana nje balezimuli balani even though bele mali but prioritize if the nation at heart abantu labana ukhulumile ngestage asebekisa no abantu laba sebekuma quarter finals but abakabhadalo imali ama allowance from group stages.
But I think coming back to that point on my own assumption is that those guys they wanted ukuthi kona ama Nigerians to see ukuthi even if we fail or to progress beyond this stage and it's not entirely our fault. We don't get the support from association. So babengayenzeli imali per se. Because imali those guys they've got
money. Imali balayo.
They've got money. So babesenzela ukuthi abantu bebekwazi ukuthi kona nxa selisibhomba laphana sesidliwe sesehleke uprogressa isupport we are not getting the enough support. We are only using our own resources, our own energy, everything. So this understand. So I think it was a good move on that way.
eZimbabwe la umfalwana uFusire.
Exactly.
Wakhuluma ngendeki ukuthi lapha phela akuncedi phela mina ngibuye ngihlezi so mina perform futhi eground. Njani?
Wathwele support ukuchimetsa kuphela ngeke wamsupportayo.
Wonke umuntu vele obviously webhora nje.
Kulabantu butho afraid to say it as it is.
Uma umuntu webhora we must know ukuthi umuntu kumele kube nje so. Imagine uCristiano Ronaldo nje uthi Portugal ngamkwanisa uCristiano
Ronaldo.
But imagine uMessi ndo ube ngamkwanisa uMessi already ule mali yakhe.
Ngevalue yakhe. But ule national manje engeke athabe abanye bengaholi.
La uyabefuna ukuhola yona leyana encane abamnike.
Coming back to the same issue amayemu la ayenza ukuthi umnetsi engabi khona sezwa khona ukuthi umnetsi wayekhulumela abafana ukuthi bengabe holi.
Into special.
Usulu trying to advocate for the boys. We are being persecuted as well.
You understand?
So that's the problem. Esilala ama-association. Umnetsi ulwela abafana imali yini abangamnika yona umnetsi 5,000. Yikuyini 5,000 uhola 30 50,000 ngeviki.
Yena kuyumnetsi
it's nothing but uyenzela bona abafana.
Wonke umuntu kaphiwe.
Exactly.
Wonke umuntu kaphiwe and uyabekwazi ukuthi bengayekela ukuphiwa yena abanye laba
abatholi.
Sokuleka.
Imagine if you check interview lana kaSunday Chitsambo la abantu ababalileyo
ngamuzwa like losibani vele bamkhona
but
losibani
amakhiwa abuya ngemuva amanye bazibesenzisa sabhana kulo kuze nini FIFA
They've been paid. They've
but
been paid.
because thina sodwa siyancindezelana
Siyancindezelana
ikhiwa
true.
ndile yakwazi hamba leyo ukuthi FIFA
ngenxa yokuthi
FIFA
wala
isibhana.
ngenxa yokuthi usidzambo lawo amandla okuhamba but he's got the nation at heart.
Yes.
So we take that for granted ukuthi khona is doing this as a favor to us. We
You
fail
understand?
just to pay him that money.
Mdala wabala umapeza njengomapeza is being owed more than 200k i-association bese ngikhayela ama-players amanye ama-players
obvious mabe maningi
nxa uchimetsa warithani waqedani nebhora uthi bamkolota up to
Ubo
today
205 208 khona.
madoda into le kumele iphele le
hayi
abantu
I think ikhonokho mdala ukuthi abantu thina like ngapha thina siya lokhana uthatha izinto lightly like ukuthi wena andivele besukwenzela ifavor udlalela i-national team andidilize
Which is wrong.
hayi uyabona into esingazwayizana ukuthi bengathi bethi hayi wena vele ungubani kade hayi anti ngapha siyabuyile la uza wesonudlala countries shoot lawo le mali yakho anti siyancedisana but it's wrong.
It's very bad.
kuyabulala even i-standard sebhora elizweni because you need your best players playing for your national
Usheko
team.
wabhadala ama 6000 bonke abaningi.
unukhangele wona osokwezwa indlini kuthiwa babhadala
Not even. Not even.
And bonke bale mali abadlala lapha. And abalanda bale mali
Abalanda bale mali
yakhona.
yankhona yikho ukuthi
But
but
kumele baningi.
ama-association a-priority abeyenza izinto njani
Sharp.
proper so yikho sokazama uku-advocate ukuthi gents it's not like ukuthi abantu laba it's a matter of imali but i-priority lokukhuphula izinga lebhora
exactly.
because mdala wenze example blind iPortugal uChristian ngamnika mali
How much money?
yamnika mali but is very patriotic ukweza standard sePortugal
but
iPortugal is known
umuntu uyabethola imali yakhe yona le abayivuma i-association yethi sizalinika maybe 1000 wonke umuntu uyabuya
You understand?
uyabona. Even
On
ingabuyi
time.
but babe
Ba-communicate sharp.
yabo injani isharp kakhulu
proper.
Uyabona.
That was a sad thing for in
sad
Nigeria. And into yona leyana andikula ama-African countries hamba ku-World Cup uzamangala futhi
siyayibona
World Cup kathesi e-America uziza abantu besitaba satrain
Likade eMelika leseMelika khona.
please abasenzele
Abasihloniphe ekhaya,
abasihloniphe besenzele sharp. Anyway, that's AFCON for you. We can now move on to our emergency. There's a lot that's happening in our local scene, but we'd like to start a local scene on a sad note, gents. Mfana lo Frank Bushiri, guys.
Yeah, so painful, very painful. My condolences to the family, to tell one every football fraternity. Ubuhlungu lokana because you cannot see Mota separating into two. And you cannot say, especially the problem now with people, they no longer abasela buntu. Abasahloniphi abasadignify abantu ukuthi umuntu sefile so thakona musora tsukuona umuntu that is very painful. The way it happened and somebody is making fun out of it because la nxa umuntu ungamthandi but we have to value life.
Is it not as from that situation? Can we not take something from out of that into the name? Can you not take something from that painful incident and make it into a positive? Skasuguti ama players because into the PSL must do something, Zifa must do something in terms of educating ama players. Ungacheka nje off season ungakhayela ama players who have been involved in accidents. I think ama player yebo singabe singakwazi ukuthi what really happened but ungacheka from ukukhulumela ukuthi imoto lana iseparate into two. It shows ukuthi umuntu ngabe begijima kakhulu or ube intoxicated. So I think izifa le PSL bengahle bethathe something out of this lama team nje in general in terms of educating topi angazi ukuthi wona what's your take on uthatha
njani even abantu nje mdala mina I think very in terms of imota you have to respect imota that's why bebhala ukuthi don't drink and drive uyabona so I think even phela sometimes
respect sharp sorry to respect I think lingasinxusa nje sitshone shootela lapho why akumnandi eSeasons Cafe proper bra kukhona okunye osiphathela kona Eish,
Yeah,
mdala. That's Seasons Cafe for you. Anyway, continue to.
I was saying ukuthi sometimes even no right uyakwanisa ukubona omunye umuntu uhambe edrive etayo ekuphambanise la ucina usiba accident. So I think ukuthi vele to drink and drive vele it's wrong, whether you are a player, whether umuntu, whether
Yes,
unjani.
yes,
And I
yes.
think into ehlala ikhulunywa vele even
No,
ngaziwe
yawazi why
Yabo.
ngikhulume njalo. Lina as football players, liku public spectacle more than a normal general person
Yeah,
like me. You understand about into ezamo. So if we educate ochumla ku public eye, kuba easier.
yabona into ekhulumayo Hartbees ungakhangela ezweni you find out ukuthi khona I can use example ka Rashford ukuthi Rashford tokhona ubonakale partying. They make that a big issue.
Yes,
That's one of the things
yes.
ukuthi emenzi wangabi khona ku menu engabi even uSancho their behavior what they do outside sport.
Yes.
Outside sport. So I think even you look at ukeeper lo obambile Barcelona kade
Obhemayo.
do you know how he left Arsenal? Why is egemini ku Arsenal go half time uthi esiya ku dressing room ofuku wabhema Arsenal ngwahlwa umdropa ku squad.
Into yakhe khona.
So khona it shows ukuthi khona the coach ule standard sakhe sokumanage ama players and those people they are managed on and off the pitch. But thina manje thina ama players they only manage after on the ibhora liphela sebengena sebesiya nathi utshwala sebesemabhawa sebesenzana unatha another problem nakho but kufuze bebe la managers uzamtshela khona natha to that level umso right usuwenza indlela ophila ngayo ku right you are a celebrity you are somebody with public eye and so forth. They have to be educated.
Yikho ebenzama ukutsho ubuthozi Topi eziphonta lapho engena khona ukuthi
I mean uyakwazi
liku public eye gents.
uyakwazi sometimes umuntu ajandi wena akathesi wena yakwanisa ukuthi as a player ntonje la wena unganathi kakhulu ungayenzini but wena awungeke utshona ulami uyabona and it's either I take it or I don't take it.
That's true.
Kuyimi mina uyabona
Ngoba it's
so
sad into leya.
into yena leyana it's a lesson lawo wena ungumuntu wena umele uzifundele because into right le wrong uyayibona.
Remember last year we lost 2 people. bro.
uyabona
And it's painful.
uyabona manje what's painful people I swear it.
I swear it,
Drive.
right? Hey.
That's why I'm saying ukuthi wonke umuntu vele umuntu ka drive responsible because kwesinye isikhathi mina yakwanisa ukugada imoto yakho nyo ube accident. So I think vele as it is I think kumele abantu befundisane emgwaqeni ukuthi hayi
Yeah, that's true.
emgwaqeni ugijima isikokufika.
That's true.
Uyabona
That's true.
you must
And
be
it,
cautious
even to our viewers lihleli ukuthathe ukuthi ugijima
ugijima
isikokufika.
isikokufika.
Yabona inkinga yabantu ukuthi they think that ukuthi kona ukunatha utshwala ngidriver is being wise. You are putting your life at risk.
At risk, bro.
Not
because
even your life to
Lava-
everyone.
and everyone esemgwaqweni the problem ukuthi singaba selfish siyazicabangela sikhohle ukuthi khona silezi imuli people who depend upon us people umuntu enza mlimaza emgwaqweni ezihambela laphana there are people who depend upon that person. Let's think for other people. Utshwala bubaleki usubuthengile nxa ule mali vele imali yakho na ukuthenga utshwala uzabuthenga nxa ubona into ozayidlalisa thenga utshwala bakho ubufake kukhula box ufake ebhuthini kumbe ube lo muntu onganathiwe zabe kudrive udrive because akula nto echazayo ukuthi udrive unathi utshwala and I've seen it ikakhulu emakhombini abantu thina it is le problem uyafica udrive ibufakile phakathi kwenyawo lapho ubambile la emuntu igcina abazali 18 19 because bagcwalisa lapho over lonke lithule zwi akula muntu okhulumayo uthwele impilo zabantu abangu-18 how many families depend upon that person.
Eish.
Mina vele I make it a policy ngavele ngibone ukuthi entila it's either uyangehlisa kumbe sihamba unganathi utshwala bakho.
Hey, and into ekhuluma is so sad.
Yeah,
Condolences to Frank Boshiri's family and the rest of the football fraternity. It's so sad. Siyaqalisa season as being angufiseli
He was a good player.
to anyone.
He
I
was a very
understand.
good, very young.
Yeah,
good.
very young. A lot to offer egamini. Ngiyakhumbula ukuthi ukwamreva kakhulu.
Eshaya kubuhlungu yathi umuntu owadlala laye mdala sewuphonga ubona the next akasekho. It's painful. It's painful.
Akakhulu it's very painful. Mina nto embona imoto lana nje ubuhlungu
Hey,
ukuthi
dala. I think umenzi but lakho but uzaphonga uyifaka for the sake a picture just to give context to our viewers. Yeah. Moving on, gents. a lot is happening. This season, akutshele baka. Asikaseni ngendala. Celebrating 100 years proper. Ucoach ubuyile. Sesikase nge-issue ye-permit. Who's at fault there? Ukuthi ucoach sekhona akabe le-permit but sekukhanya ngani seqalisa umsebenzi. Ama-authorities ahlathi haya ngachaya phansi kabuyele indazulu ebe i-work permit isikhona. Because I think they must set an example. A team as Islanders is a big team, James.
Yeah, Islanders is not just a big team; it's a big institution.
It's a big institution.
Anywhere you go, it's Islanders. Islanders.
Yeah.
When we talk about football in Bulawayo, without mentioning Islanders, we may not support Islanders, we may hate Islanders, we may watch, but it's a big, very big
brand.
It's a big brand.
Yeah.
So for the administration or the executive of Islanders to begin to say work without the permit is wrong, because Tina, we are confined by the laws and governed by the laws of the country.
True.
Which is done in each and every way. So, Islanders, what lessons are they giving? Because everyone supports Islanders. But fundisana ukuthi into illegal is right in. So,
Elebutho ugcizelela uza continue khona lapha. Remember Dijong? Same into.
Same issue.
So repeating the same mistake twice for administration e-Islander. Dijong usayizwa ama officials elokhuzeni Home Affairs amlanda we-permit ayikaphumphadliwa wayesengaseqalisa umsebenzi Thabo Senong futhi
yeah. Because there was nothing wrong for Thabo to be in the country. He was supposed to be in the country along is a process, and Islanders, no one was going to deny the work permit.
Never.
No one. Nxa elama plans alawo, he has got his assistant umkhokheli emtshela umkhokheli yenza so ehambe ekwenza khonokho nxa efuna ukubukela ezibukelele ekhatshana but ayikho into enze njani emelele ukuthi enjani esebenze because ngathi wakhona ngama-teams amancane ube ngasebenza kungela muntu ozabe evula amehlo but the fact ukuthi i-Highlanders wonke umuntu uvula amehlo ufuna ubona ukwenzakalani kwa-Highlanders. That's where the problem comes now. But nonetheless, even though ngama-teams amancane, let's just follow the rules. Yikwathi ukhunywa ngolokuze ngendaba yo-drinking and drive kungalandeli imithetho. If nxa ungalandeli imithetho into azokuhambeli kahle. So i-administration yebhoso ikubona even kubona kwatshisa ku-WhatsApp ukuthi ku-Facebook ukuthi bebethethisa njani ama-supporters ethethisa executive. Asikufundi lokana ungabona uzuthethiswa sona ngabalandeli bakho which means you're not doing right. Try to do something which is right.
Yikho phela butho esikhona Topi most of the time even nxa senza ama-puzzle special ama-supporter bekhala same things over and over again. I was not expecting that. Angazi ukuthi mbani odropha ibhora khona phana but come on Topi. Coach work permit.
Into into yomele ukuthi into esimele sibe sikhala ngayo isikhathi because all along you knew wena ukuthi ufuna ukuletha ucoach we-South Africa.
True.
And kumele libe selama plans abo work permit because obviously vele kwathi uma esebenza vele kumele
apply work permit uphume work permit aqala
ispan then mase limiyenza njalo lina no work permit no what it's like you are humiliating him. Uyabona because imagine nxa sophuma Facebook uthiwa sesimbisela it's not proper. La uyagcina usubona but why? Uyabona ugcina le ntshukuntshu yani yokusebenza uzothi but peace. Uyabo so I think into omele la kube lokho zonke I will
administration
ayidonsa
ama-socks.
eZimbabwe vele eZimbabwe vele immigration ayihluphi njengakwamanye amazwe ayihluphi njengakwamanye amazwe so I don't see any reason why
ihlupha ku-Highlanders ku-Dijong serious. This is true, James.
We had Harris was working in Harrison was he coached him. We are science we have got in a low town local something. As we have got low Pumilo Maurias as Bakala was there as Kevin Kayin as
you can count them, bruh.
So I think there's something wrong.
See, as nice man. This is cafe for you, proper. But you, na into zamafoke knife.
Masiyethele konke.
Mavambo utugezi. Still on that issue, Chance. Yabonga nje ukuthi isizicafe isibambe emnandi. It's a proper episode today. chips, chicken, masalad. Hey, man, don't do my own interview. But I'm it's proper food. I was saying, Buto, so many foreign countries, but abantu besingizwe ukuthi iHome Affairs ke yabuya zehlupha what abantu ma we permit bathole bespan. So I think there's someone ongayenza umsebenzi wakhe sharp khona pha and lokho ekhona. Even into lemezo sibuhlungu.
Ignorance mntana.
No, aso ignorance.
Because mina I think because ngama basics omele ube wazi la.
Simple,
Yabona
bra.
ngalo ukuthi wena ukuvuka ekseni ungalala uyakwazi kumele uvuke ekseni. Uyabona ugeza amehlo. Uhluphe uyabona into eyabilo. So ungabona usekela ukuyenza njalo uyabuthi uyafana namhlangane ngiright. Uyabona. So I think into kuyawumela njani?
Ilungiswe masinya. Phezulu kona bana kulokho zini. But what about the still on Islanders? The players that were signed for
Islanders.
ngiyabona abantu bechinga kakhulu abanye bethethisana ku Facebook lapha ku social media kunzima abe sithi I was not expecting equality topic mana ngikaze ngotopic from a players perspective.
Yabona iIslander ezithiza ama fans mdala they are angry. Uyabona they are angry and the last season it was not good mdala. This season yabo ibingekho sharp for them yabo. So they were expecting ukuthi since they are 100 years they are expecting ama players lana njani alamabizo kakhulu yabona for them ukuthi bebe le hope ukuthi league bayifuna. So bengathi bebona usayina abantu abangabaziyo bona and abanye ababazi la bakazi bebabukeli then sebeqalisa ukudawutha manje ukuthi la kule something enzakalayo yini so I think yikho bechinga kakhulu ama fans because ungakhayela ama players akhona ilana Villa Division 1 amanje dla ko wangi uyabona bona abawazi uyabo but ke ungama good players and but bengawazi and bebona ngento ezenzakala previous season bebengekho happy. So I think into ebayenza bechinge kakhulu bona yabo because babona into zangikhona zonke zingahambi kuhle. So they are expecting ukuthi this year kube into enjani ehamba kuhle etshintshayo ekhanya ukuthi bafuna ukenzani uyabo.
But from a face perspective,
right,
I think you saw
I've seen
ama supporters.
I've seen ama comments bayachinga bapopota umhlophe kahambe and something like that, but like ilokuzelini mina I always like using examples ukuthi khona ngaza ukuthi uthambisa inkomo ube lezi zintsha zodwa amajongosi kungiyele ezindala ezizafundisa ezincane leziyana yabona awusoze ukuthi uthenge all new names. The only person engibonile ongani utry it and test imbika ngilokuzelini ukeep from a chicken in prison there
and ngokeeper uzantshela kuhle wena continue.
So that's the only person ongani usayiniwe, but abanye bonke labana abayitestanga but that's the same thing indlela owabuya ngayo uthiwa manje lo mfana lo ubedlala kulokuzelini kuyadakade lo weqo number 77 wafa wangeniswa ngokhayini King Natolo
okay
babe popota yakhumbula the same way uKampina introduce ngayo babe popota but when they had to perform, but the good thing about those two and ba introduce vele kuspan esivele kulespan esivele njani si effective abafakwa ngababaningi
labo anabona there's an 18-year-old there's omunye ovela kuNast. I don't think he's got a Premier League experience.
But obviously who's well experienced ufuze uthola chance ukudlala.
Yes,
but
yes,
ukusayina as a big team you are celebrating 100 years now. Awufuni usayine bonke abangala
inexperienced
akuyenzi. You have to try by all means ukuthi at least usayine uhlanganise udinga amabizo azo abantu abazancedisa to gel up the team ukuthi be team be stronger because ama players amaningi bayasuka ku-Islanders right now but asazi maybe bona babe khona bakubonileyo and I doubt ukuthi ngucoach ozidingileyo.
On the right person ochicken. Let's talk about ukeeper. Ngeke ngabona enye comment ku Facebook to ukeeper lo akazakadlale last season ube ngeke ukuchicken nomunye ozawathi ube le business umbe ngenkukhu umbe wengani se resurface society ku Island. Is it true in
khangela uEdward Mendy
no
mana phela no saphendla umbuzo wakho uMendy esayinwa eChelsea wayengela club asuke kuyind but wafika waperform Of course, umfana ubengasela contract le Chicken Inn last season. Was not in contracted to Chicken Inn. But before wayethola game time wayedlala amanye ama games. Wayedlala. So I see ukuthi kona is bad. Is not bad. But kwakulabantu abangcono kwedlala yini.
Mana ngiche khonapho besinzabuya ukuthi uphendule sharp besinzabuya ku but those players right for because no one knows ukuthi baza perform kanjani and mina what I said umkhokheli is good ngama youngsters uThabo Senong is good ngama youngsters. Is it not the mentality or the direction that teams are taking these days ukuthi no guys Kailana, we've got young coaches who are brilliant ngama youngsters. Let's have these youngsters coming through because ngiyakhuluma lo yaya uya isilipo jana mfana nathiwa nguRoni mbethombani ole 18 years top blind befunakala nje kuphela umuntu ozamnika ithuba. Understand? So is it not the direction that teams are taking even here they celebrate 100 years to have youngsters ngoba labo coach bayatshengisa ukuthi ba brilliant ngabafana abancane.
Mina I think yabona is I know umkhokheli and he's a good coach especially when it comes to ukhuluma abafana like I think even the boy to watch uMongameli Chuma la he's a good player, a brilliant player sibili. Everything technique is good dribbler nguye umuntu engikwaziyo ukuthi hayi
so mandebele relax
mandebele relax
kuza sazokuba ibhora lemnani
so ungamsinda you know ibhora but ba relax bazakholisa sebengakwanisa ukuthi soyethu yonke imbize wa so I think sometimes ama coaches they believe in working le boys abezazi ukuthi lezi zizangipha something especially nxa yena engamthemba lo mfana ebe le confidence mdala to play uyabona engasabi because sometimes ucoach uyakuthemba wena uyehle uba le confidence then bese ngani mina I'm a bad player uyabona so ngani ucoach made a wrong move ikanti hayi mina nami I'm a good player and environment engiyalile nje uyabona so I feel like maybe if we give them a chance bedlala abafana and bona bengakhanyeleli ukuthi kulwana ngubani uyabo bekhayele ngeperformance ungayala kuyalile ba right besole but as it is I think yena is going to the right direction.
I think into ekhalisa abantu ukuthi is the 100th year
lami I think ekhalisa abantu ukuthi labo kathi they need to compete.
They are not putting pressure ku team ukuthi kumele win something
exactly. I think but 100 years awumela ngasurvive relegation awumela ngasikhuluma.
I think into ama supporter khala
we are coming from a bad season from Islanders recently.
Islanders at 99.
Islanders at 99 was very bad. And the two Islanders being a very big institution, it's not a team that we can say you have to build. Islanders are so team otayifuzi yakhe.
Yiko ama supporter I think akhala
yiko kule problem khona. But kungasenana and ukusayina those 18 19 years old boys bengabe bele talent like uTopa kutsho yana. It's easy for them. Nxa bedlalela ama teams amancane njengafana le Islanders. Islanders the raw of iSoweto leyana yona yodwa engabali impangweni. Mbaliso wethu kuphela nxa ungela sibindi ibhora lahle liphume ungakhutha bechinge because that's how they support their football besithi bekuchayela ukhwele so far kufuna umuntu osele sibindi so kuyasofuna ama coaches but konke vele kusema playing akukho kubo coach kukiba ama players ukuthi baza manage kanjani benga manage crowd they are going to play
but gents I mean as nguzwa hayi seasons cafe siyabonga
besiphinda
but please come through to Seasons Cafe Ascot next to Pick and Pay have yourself nice proper meals guys are we enjoying ourselves asiyabonga to be hosted such hospitality I think that's the right word abafundile
siphethwe
kahle hayi it's nice. Let's move on gents sesibonile sesizwile nge still but kule issue yinye embone ngani is still bad for Islander the issue of wajensaw udike lebona wajensaw uthi ule mali is being owed money say is taking Islanders to court akusoze kuyethuze yini even ucoach omutsho I'm going to a club engabhadaliyo
abantu bebhora bakwazi vele lokhana kuyatholakala ungabhadala nebhoreni so akusoze kumethusa even
ufana ukhombisa mdala ungena amanga
exactly
sonke njalo singena amanga but wena ukwazi ukuthi but ngiyaqilwa maybe laba bathi bethi sizakunika wena imali yakho la wathi ngena maybe ajile kulomunye velo wayekwereti uyabo and uyabo kwathi kulomunye ade bemkwereti
ulokuzeni intombazane ukhaya bamkwereti 11,000 something
uyabo
but for anyway
coach uyaqhatshwa
kodwa coach yakhatshwa
akulo uyala
icompany yakwanisa uretrench ngaliphanga imali zeniqhatsho bani akulo uyala
lathi sithi hayi maybe thina
sokutshintsha so lokana kuyatholakala eboreni kubuhlungu of course ku-agent Hlabu kubuhlungu kakhulu ukuthi usebenze then uthi ungaholiswanga uphinde uxotshe umsebenzi it's very bad let's hope they're going to deal with it amicably
bazadilela go sharp athole imali zakho gents ngifuna ukuyithatha nge-twist. Is our league now that attractive ukuthi sesikwanisa likela bona ama-Malawians abuya asayinwayo nje
amaningi
ukubona ukuthi
andibona ukhipho weSimbabura
wama-clean sheet ka
he became the goalkeeper of the season last season is a Malawian so usehamba wa-advertise i-brand yethu. I think we're improving bit by bit. Sizathandazela ukuthi silama-Nigerians umngongongo we-Highlanders
Ghana
ku-Dynamos. So I think as time goes on into esotshaka kuphela imali. Ama-sponsors i-PSA asidingela ama-sponsors asharp abazabhadala imali engani yazwakala ukwenza ukuthi khona ama-teams la yakwanisa ukubhadala ama-players then i-league ibe more attractive. Good officiating is ever right.
But I was happy nje ngokuthi we are now attracting because ama-teams they are now having ama-for inumber yama-Malawians yengethusile ukuthi asoma-Malawians amancane but in terms sizwa omunye ekhuluma esithi ubehola mbe i-Malawian kwasha imali yakhona I think ibisiya kubo 200 something bucks ngenyanga
imali because
sometimes
look at thina lapha na sisi South Africa uyabo kwathi ngapha imali incane siyazama egoli so it's about money because ungananzelela ama-team angikhona lama foreign players
lokho behamba la egoli abakithi
uyabona
ngani umshoro uqeda ukuhamba
uhambile because ngumuntu owenjani it's about money because ama-team kayela lama foreign players ngale mali because mali ngela mali you can't afford them because i-foreign ngeke ulibhadala lalibobhisa uyabona
but ama-foreigners zakhona kungabuyi umuntu oserious phela because ukhona umuntu apho ngubuyi but awuboni ukuthi
njalo no-Dynamos
ande kahle bukhuluma ngolo weSimbabura 17 clean sheets
17 clean that's good.
That's good. Let's move on to Hunters. And the Hunters ibisiku Premier Soccer League. And the franchise
Bytings, yeah, Bytings really rally seat. I think what they did, I mean, personally, ngumbono wami ngedwa as an individual, I think they did something right because ungabala statements abo so tekona ba realize ukuthi khona they won't manage ama cost. But because siboni ikhwekwe la system la system ke bana ma games engani phose ya forfeit
uyayithe walkover
so ku PSL kube le walkover because you failing to fulfill ama games. It's not fair. So nxa unganika somebody with the financial muscle who is able to do it, just do it. You have been because imali sebethole 600,000 team win i-championship ayitholanga la season. So
but umewe ara uthi hayi so 600,000 imali yangasi pongo ukhwezwa ngoba 600,000 amjala 600 yabe siningi kakhulu for i-franchise ye-PSL uyalila umafumu uthi hayi asi 600
lapho besala phela abantu because ade bechinga ukuthi sebesebenzisa imali lokuzeni e-council wathi hayi arrest ivelile imali yayo seceleni engasweli lokuzeni but nonetheless whatever the price it might be, we wish Arrest the best and we wish Hunters the best. Uti behambe be regroup and come when you're financially stable, better, bigger and better, and so that the league can be more and more attractive. ngoba as like we said ukuthi kona is the league at more attractive because also uthi kona kule team eyabe isenza ama walk off city attractive kufuze kube the competition you rather lose 7-0 you rather lose 7 ube 8-0 but fulfill fixture wazama la ukuba competitive. I think that way to me is better according to my own observation.
I support that because owesikwenzelwe ikhwekhwe it was very bad for a league. Even standards se league yethu imagine ama stakeholders abe ama sponsors bafuna asoze be attracted to into enjalo. So iyantazi lama I think yenza into eshabo kakhulu ngoba ucoach wawo lana Ruma ezithi usehle wakungezi
bese
sekungezi umfana lo speaking about ama movement Mangope guys my coach last season uGenesis back at Dynamos
drama queen.
What was it drama queen? I saw drama queen check. It Dynamos I think this year ngani sakundi sifake
good off ngabuya umede uhambe because it's about money man.
He said
but you know it's more I think why is it drama queen ube ngani uyathembisa I-trying ukuthi nonza sayini.
He once said nxa ubala anti nakonke sikhuluma esilandeni lesibala ku social media ukuthi khona Dynamos if Dynamos wants me back to them they have to come and kneel down to me.
Lapha na yenza izibhishi.
And two waphindwa wafonisi wathembisa tell one time and trying ukuthi khona I'll be there to talk to you over the phone call. Sebeke iDynamos yaposta futhi ukuthi sesilo coach wethu kuMagombe yaphinda yakhipha futhi. So but we wish him the best. We wish him the best as well, even though the road is not going to be easy for him, but we always wish them the best. And yeah, that's what I can say. But angazi ukuthi it's the right move or not. No,
it's not happy move kaMangobe.
I know I'm quite happy because of the way abadebetila ngayo with the issue. Bebedlala ngathi why are you publishing something you didn't be sure about that? Yabona even Islanders abantu bebesola to Islanders ayithengi ayinjani but ibithule ithe isishow ukuthi sithengile lo la nxa bengabathandi yasinjani yasipublisher. That's what you are supposed to do. Ayikhona ugijimela ukuthi kona hayi machisa sengowethu kodwa wena ukakhuluma nomachisa because wenza abanye bengahambi kuye. Ayisikho
the problem in social media these days mdala anything can happen. Yabona uyafana ukuthi wena ngazi ngizwa kathi mina ngizwe ukuthi wena ufuna ukuya ngapha senze siyabhala mina ukwenza ukuthi
ukuthi content
yabo but yona uyabusukwazi ukuthi wena uyahamba but mina ngisenguhle ngukhipha then bese ngibona into mana ke ngikukhiphe futhi abantu abangana bakaqedela nisenguphinda senjani sengubisela. So I think these days esasukukhuluma ukuthi data selichipini.
Speaking about ama movements ama players dibonile iCaps gents. I think iCaps did good business and the main business into engikhala ngayo is it wise ukuthi bethi they are going out of the country for pre-season because we know ama conditions amazwe afanana khayela okwenza isimba like yaphuma out of the country yathwala nzima isiphendwa ukuthi iCaps induct ama players amane I think like ithengile futhi ama allowance amaningi ithenga ama players amaningi ithi for pre-season we're going outside the country.
iCaps vele
kushabu yini
olalo ngivele yahamba like ku-pre-season yawenzela most maybe yabe
uKariba
hayi ehamba eMalawi.
Alright.
Most of them
Malawi bayithanda uJerry nguMalawi kumbula ama-roots eMalawi
kumbe Mozambique kumbe because I remember sikona ngayo vele Jerry wahamba Malawi uMozambique so into yabo vele so I know something new ukuthi bona vele i-pre-season yabo bathanda uyenzela out.
I-pre-season vele most of the countries benza njalo khala even ezweni uyabona besadlala eAsia besadlala ngabo American stuff so that for exposure ukuthi just to another challenge I think it's okay.
Nxa you busy adventure but mina ikhona iweather nje iZimbabwe siyaqalisa isizini yaqasa ngoMarch it's rainy uhambe endaweni kumepe nceke kuyi summer khona ezirabe iwarrior mengo
kulele Zimbabwe vele iweather Zimbabwe siyazi phela
yike ngusho mdala kuyaffect you having foreigners in your team etisukhuluma.
When I think it's about bonding most of the time ukuthi
for a team
lapana since njabonti like maybe ngayi
24 hours lilonke
ngaba le squad mdala maybe you buy maybe about 15 players it's not a different squad so ukuthi abana beze beyazane Ngingayenza maybe kunokuthi utrain usiye endlini awula sikhathi lesane sebonding esiningi but if ibondi kakhulu lilonke maybe phandle because phandle ngala ula mngana ulani vele izatshona unjani liconcentrated lonke endaweni eyi-1
isikhathi sishap simnandi ngoma 10 minutes befuna sikhayele iruma khona le ema-player movements. I think we've seen ama-players moving around ukuthi Dynamo's perfect Chingwende sihambe uDynamo good acquisition good player kule striker esisuke and Simba Bora gents ama-players asuka ku-Simba Bora. Simba I think has lost almost half of the team.
That's business. That's business. That's business. They didn't lose its business because you cannot just.
But we can't team.
You cannot strengthen the team without more resources. If football has to finance itself, sell the players and buy others for cheap, then build and sell. So I think for football they did right.
From all the businesses that we've had, which team has impressed you so far, or which movement of a player to any team has so far? Because I'm a movement so I so my exam perfect Chingwende. I like that player.
The team which is buying good players, good quality players right now is Hard Rock.
When I find coach I do say Spain.
No. for Chicken I can talk anything, but the problem is that Agula and SC official so I can say it now. It's saying with the draw next week like what Dynamos. That is what I don't want to do. When I'm funding Krume, they call upon what Umbuza one dirangati kusesengama ngaso official I know. And now is in Spain. But kates ukuthi ngikhulume ukuthi which player konke ngama uphetha ufunakala ubona umuntu ufunakala uzibani lami ngiyakuzwa njengabanye but angababoni bekhona ku Chicken.
But so far all right, back to my question. Wrapping up, which team so far has made good business in terms of
Hard Rock has made good business because they are playing good players, tried players. You know when ilokuzeni i challenge ichinja they are no longer in Division 1. They are now in this in the Premier League.
Big Boys League.
Also drive motor suke ngo1 uzu expect ukuyafika elokuzeni ekwantu uhamba ngo1. You have to keep on uchinja magiyusi yaphambili. So that's what they did. They changed the coaches, good coaches which are there, Umatore and Ukayindu is good coaches. They have bought junior Makonika, Tolani, all the names you can think of. They're doing right. I think you impressed Leo so far.
Toby?
I think you had rock with that.
Ukuthi singayifaka ukuthi ya compete for siyasifa ukuthi ya drug vele is competing for a league.
Obviously with the players that they are signing they are competing for the league because it's up to the coach ukuthi yakwanisa ukubahlanganisa abantu labana bebambane as we are saying ukuthi ibondi yabe ngaqina then they will have a good team. Uyabona because sometimes kwesesikhathi yakwanisa usayina abantu kuyala because kuyawongela oneness but ungaba le oneness kwampa team yala angutshela imanga isingahlupha kathesi.
Mina so far I'm impressed by Norman Mapeza Nomara. Yawazi why? Ano ole rumor ukuthi uDemvu yakapha.
Yo
Ala to me it's a bold move. Uchezela umuntu lo userious. AwuDemvu ngambona umkhaba wake. Even a trova ubera ngoba uDynamo environment uyazi Mapeza uthi hayi move le.
Obviously kuyahlupa yona uma coach uyazenzela decision yakho mdala.
That's the good thing about Mapeza. Mapeza lapha sayina khona he wants to make his own.
Yes. Mina ungichazile lapha. To me
decision yakhe.
But
the team so far that has impressed the Capes in terms of players.
It keeps the reason being is the only team a sponsorship is the so far because unveiled sponsorship last season. Green something 4 million something, which is a lot of money. And those people, I think, but sponsors as well as Zimbabwe so that the media can say yes, but they inject a lot. So those ones because bahle baqasa futhi uku-injecta la season ama-bonus abo ku-1,000
bekuzokubonakala
la
ama-changes
bese baleziqwanga bona sebetshintsha-tshintsha yabo.
Because yona i-Cavs ilakhi yangikhona yokuthi bona basayina abantu ku-one team like
Ngezi,
almost 9 players, so i-continuity
Lo
yangikhona
coach.
ayisolo coach,
Eh.
so yabona i-continuity yangikhona yakuba
yaba easy la Malawi's la abuya
ade khona vele already abantu ade bekhona, so ukuthi behlangane I think it will be easy for them
kakhulu.
abasoke beqalise from zero ukuthi ibhora lifani
You never know.
sengalikhuluma kathesi ukuthi kuyabe ku-right sokungokunye
Hayi nxa sise-ground ibhola bra
liyatshintsha
Liyatshintsha.
Never. So anyway, guys, I think that we've done justice to this episode. We'd like to thank Kesh, a nice host,
Hayi siyabonga.
Seasons Cafe. We'd like to thank Seasons Cafe.
Sitshaya
Come
inyama enhle
through,
so.
come through to Seasons Cafe. Have yourself nice meals. Enjoy umoya. Mina ngicabanga umoya nje.
it's a good episode
Shoot us Sky ngamangende.
Asibathi ngasibo sokusile.
abantwana lokho
Likazi labi nje. They've got good business. That's why maybe sebengasikhawukela besibize yabo
No,
khona.
I'm just joking but ngishouthi ngala ngawo kososile umsindo wakho nade kunjani.
Yeah,
Lapha ku calm, kuthule.
Indaba
Just
phela
do your
yokudla
business.
ukudla okumnjani.
omnandi
Come with your family, come with your friends, come with your girlfriend, everyone come and spoil them here. It's nice. Akumnandi lokhu ngiyazwisa ukuthi ngiyakutestisa.
So siyabonga to our good host Season Cafe for today's episode. Next week gents is at Spendu AFCON yabe siphelile. For our next episode so sesiwazi
AFCON special.
yeah, looking forward to a new season Premier Soccer League yaqala mhla ka-28 nge-Champions of Champions, yeah. So I think we've done justice to episode yanamuhla but last words as Penom sisivale nini.
My last words is just that ukuthi khona like we have said earlier on, let's be responsible in everything that we do. Whatever we do, we have to take the responsibility of it. The way we drive, singadrive ukuthi sibulalane emgwaqweni, singazondani, singaxabani ezindlini. Wherever you are, let love lead so that we can enjoy and see a better tomorrow. Without love, we are nothing.
Aish. It's a big one. Toby, let's do it.
Last week, I just want to thank Season Cafe. That was good food.
You enjoyed-
I enjoyed the food. I want to
I'm not- I saw the
thanks to Season Cafe. Then on football side, I just wish ukuthi bonke abashayeli emgwaqweni ngiyacela let's be responsible. Even when right, even omunye wrong wena zama ukuba right. Ungabi lokho awuntoni right kuphela always emgwaqweni negotiate with each other magents and don't drink and drive
It's a big one. Asifuna ukulahlekelwa futhi manje. Hey,
Abantu even osoplayer.
even umuntu nje asifuna ulahlekela.
if you're watching us for the first time, please remember to like, subscribe, share to your friends, to your family. Batshele benze njalo, share and keep on engaging. Benfuna ukubala enye comment gents from Sesvala. To me that's my last bese bengacabangela ukuthi we've got abantu abasibukela abasupporter former footballers like proper footballers. Kule comment evela ku Innocent Mapranga emkhumbuli.
Yeah, uMapranga ngiyamkhumbula kwaba mechanic wemoto yami sometime.
Umakani, I think he's based in SA. Usifayile comment Innocent Mapranga. If you're watching Innocent njengoba uthe ukhuthi episode, please we love to have you on the show. Ungaba free because ayemsebenzi nxa usubased wesisuchile le disc. Usifayile comment emnandi kakhulu uthe gents he loves the analysis. This is the number one this is his favorite sports podcast ever. I would like to say shout out to Innocent Mapranga.
Thank you.
I think on that note, see you next time, guys. Continue supporting us. Siyabonga.